everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Round Robin. We have got another exciting opportunity for 2019-2020 batch female candidates. Capgemini has again announced his off-campus drive for 2019-2020 batch, for this time only for female candidates. First thing, the last date for apply this drive is 10th of March. And the assessment will be conducted starting from 17th of March. We will talk about eligibility criteria. This drive and this position are currently open for women candidates only. Should have graduated in 2019 and 2020 batch. Should have 16% in 10th, 12th, diploma graduation, MCA, MTech. Only 1 year gap in education is allowed after 12th. Qualification MCA, BE, BTech. The branches are eligible: information technology, computer science, electronics and communication, electrical, instrumentation. So basically the all circuit branches are eligible for this drive. ME, MTech student are eligible for only IT and computer science branches. The main part of this drive, only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the assessment selection process. Selection process will be done in virtual mode. So there are 5 rounds in this selection process. First 3 rounds will be elimination round. So first round is technical assessment pseudocode, second one is MCQ based English communication test, and third one is game based aptitude test. So these 3 rounds are elimination round, and 4th round will be not elimination round. So yeah, so in pseudocode you have 30 questions to solve in 30 minutes. In MCQ based English communication test you have also 30 questions to solve in 30 minutes, and in game based aptitude test you have 4 games to solve in 20 to 24 minutes. So first four round will happen on same day, and round 5 conducted later. So basically technical and HR round will be conducted later, but for same day round 1, round 2, round 3 will be 4 will be conducted, and every round 1, 2, 3 will be elimination round. So package is not described by Capgemini, but I will give you idea. It will be 3.86 or 4.4 lakh per annum for AWS candidate. So this is a very good opportunity for those who are pass out of 2019 and 2020 batch female candidates. So here you can click and you can register. The registration process is same as is on the Superset platform. Actually was there last time also. So if you don't have Superset account, first you create Superset account and you fill all the details, then you easily apply for this drive Capgemini. So yeah, apply for drive, link in the description video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Last date is 10th of March. Apply as soon as possible. All the best. Thank you.